Welcome to our Enterprise Security Training Series. Today, I will demonstrate the usage of Nmap and how to defend against it. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is one of the most powerful network scanning tools available to security professionals and system administrators. Let's start with the basics. The simplest Nmap command scans a target host to discover open ports. Type Nmap followed by the target IP address. This performs a default scan of the most common 1000 ports. You'll see which ports are open, closed, or filtered. Adding the Verbose flag gives you more detailed information during the scan. Use Nmap v followed by the target. This shows you the scan progress in real time, including DNS resolution and host discovery details. To identify what services are running on open ports, use version detection. Type Nmap SV followed by the target IP. This probes open ports to determine the service version information, which is crucial for vulnerability assessment. Nmap can also detect the operating system of the target. Use Nmap O followed by the target. This analyzes TCP/IP stack fingerprints to guess the operating system. Note that this requires root or administrator privileges. You don't always need to scan all ports. To scan specific ports, use Nmap P followed by port numbers. For example, P80443 scans only web ports. You can also specify ranges like P1-1000. For comprehensive information, combine multiple flags. Use Nmap SVO followed by the target. This gives you both service versions and OS detection in a single scan, though it takes longer. The aggressive scan flag enables multiple detection options at once. Type Nmap followed by the target. This enables OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and traceroute. Use this when you need maximum information. Nmap supports multiple output formats for reporting. Use ON for normal output, OX for XML format, or OG for Grepable format. For example, Nmap ON report txt followed by the target saves results to a text file. Now let's discuss defense. To protect your network from Nmap scans, first, implement a firewall to block unauthorized scan attempts. Second, use port knocking for sensitive services. Third, deploy intrusion detection systems like Snort to alert on scan activity. Fourth, limit exposed services to only what's necessary. And finally, regularly audit your own network with Nmap to find vulnerabilities before attackers do. Remember, Nmap is a powerful tool that can be used for both legitimate security auditing and malicious reconnaissance. Always use it ethically and only on networks you do not have permission to test. Thank you for watching this security training module. Now let's demonstrate practical defense measures. First, we'll configure firewall rules to limit scan detection. On macOS, we use PF the packet filter. Create a rule to limit connection rates. This limits each source to 10 connections and 10 new connections per 10 seconds. Port knocking hides services until the correct sequence is entered. Install Noct using Homebrew. Configure the Noct configuration file with your Noct sequence. For example, the sequence 7000, 8000, 9000 opens port 22 for SSH. Snort can detect Nmap scan patterns. Install Snort using Homebrew. Configure rules to alert on SYN scans, null scans, and XMA scans. Run Snort in console mode to monitor network traffic for suspicious scan activity. Minimize exposed services. Use netstat to find listening ports. Disable unnecessary services and system preferences under sharing. Only keep essential services running. Regularly scan your own network. Use Nmap with service version and OS detection against your network range. Review results and close unnecessary ports. Document all open ports and their purposes. Defense in depth is key. Combine firewall rules, port knocking, IDS monitoring, and regular audits to protect your network from reconnaissance scans.